today discuss about whole circle bearing. Convert the following whole circle bearing to quadrantal bearing. Whole circle bearing of line AB 45 degree 30 minute. 45 degree 30 minute lies on first quadrant northeast. 45 degree 30 minute. Quadrantal bearing of line AB whole circle to convert quadrantal bearing. It is lie on first quadrant northeast. Answer is north 45 degree 30 minute east. Second, whole circle bearing of line BC 125 degree 45 minute. This sketch 125 degree 40 minute lies on second quadrant southeast quadrant. These values are less than 180 degree. Quadrantal bearing of line BC is subtracted by 180 degree. Answer is south 54 degree 15 minute east. Quadrantal bearing of line BC. Answer south 54 degree 15 minute east. Whole circle bearing of line CD 222 degree 15 minute. These sketch indicate the values of angle lies on third quadrant. The value is more than 180 degree. It is subtracted minus 180 degree. Quadrantal bearing of line CD south 42 degree 15 minute west. Next, whole circle bearing of line DE 320 degree 30 minute. The sketch indicate lies on fourth quadrant angle north west. These values of angle subtracted by 360 degree north 39 degree 30 minute west. Next, convert the following quadrantal bearing to whole circle bearing. Quadrantal bearing of line AB south 36 degree 30 minute west. It is lie on third quadrant southwest. These values is less than 180 degree. 180 degree add this angle. Whole circle bearing of line AB is 216 degree 30 minute. Next, quadrantal bearing of line BC south 43 degree 30 minute east. These are lies on second quadrant southeast. These values is less than 180 degree. These angles are subtracted by 180 degree. Whole circle bearing of line BC 136 degree 30 minute. Next, quadrantal bearing of line CD north 26 degree 45 minute east. These are lies on first quadrant. There are no change in a whole circle bearing. Whole circle bearing is 26 degree 45 minute. Quadrantal bearing of line DE north 40 degree 15 minute west. These angles are lies on fourth quadrant northwest. Whole circle bearing change. These values are subtracted by 360 degree. Answer 319 degree 45 minutes. Next, the numerical of pentagon 5 sides. These 5 sides, the sum is 540 degree. Interior angle of these traverse anterior angles sum is 540 degree. 1 2 3 4 5 sides. A closed traverse 5 station A B C D E taken in anti-clockwise form of pentagon. If 4 bearing of line AB is 30 degree 00 minute, find 4 bearing of the other sides of a traverse. Station A, Station B, Station C, and Station D and E. Included angle formula of pentagon is 2n minus 4 right angle divided by number of sides. 2n, n means number of sides, 1 2 3 4 5. Number of sides is 5. 2n, 2 multiplied by 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Right angle 90 degree equal to 540. 90 into 6 equal to 540 divided by number of sides. Number of sides is 5. Total each angle is 108 degree. Angle A 108 degree, angle B 108 degree, so on. These number of sides, right angles 90. These are solutions. Each angles are 108. 1 2 3 4 5. Sum of equal to total sum 540 degree. Firstly, given in a question, values of 4 bearing of line AB is 30 degree. Firstly start 4 bearing of line AB 30 degree 00 minute. Next 4 bearing of line BC equal to back bearing of line AB. Back bearing of line AB plus angle B equal to back bearing of line AB 30 degree plus 180 degree plus angle B. 4 bearing of line BC is 318 degree 00 minute. 4 bearing of line CD, back bearing of line BC plus angle C. Back bearing of line BC is 318 degree minus 180 degree plus angle C 108 degree. 4 bearing of line CD is 246 degree 00 minute. 4 bearing of line DE equal to back bearing of line CD plus angle D. Back bearing of line CD is 246 degree plus 180 degree plus angle D 108 degree. Total 4 bearing of DE total angle is 74 degree 00 minute. Fore bearing of line EA, back bearing of line DE minus exterior angle of angle E. Back bearing of line DE 174 degree plus 180 degree. Fore bearing of line EA. Traverse start on angle A, B, C, D, E. E angle, it is north, it is a exterior angle. Exterior angle, it is, you are find the included angle. Exterior angle is more than 180 degree. These are 360. These are angle is subtracted by 360 degree. Clockwise circle sum of 360 degree. These angles are more than 360 degree. These angles are exterior angle always 360 degree minus the anterior angle. Back bearing of line DE 174 degree plus 180 degree minus exterior angle of angle E 360 degree minus 180 degree. Fore bearing of line EA 102 degree. It is the included angle. Fore bearing of line AB equal to back bearing of line EA minus exterior angle of A. Exterior angle of A is, find out, fore bearing of line AB, back bearing of line EA is 102 degree plus 180 degree minus exterior angle 360 degree minus 180 degree. Sum, it is equal to 30 degree is 00 minute. Checked. Hence corrected fore bearing of line AB 30 degree 00 minute. Question, given value fore bearing of line AB is 30 degree 00 minute, and hence these solutions are corrected and fore bearing of line AB is 30 degree 00 minute. Thanks.